Before you click add to cart on magnoliaboutique.com, pause for a minute because what I discovered might save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. If you've been tempted by their Instagram-worthy styles and glowing influencer shoutouts, you're not alone, but is Magnolia Boutique actually worth your money, or is it just another online shop that overpromises and underdelivers? I decided to dig deep into the entire shopping experience, and let's just say the results were mixed. First, the product quality. While some items did match the style and cut shown in the pictures, others felt cheaper than expected, with fabrics that looked great online but didn't quite hold up in person. The fit was also inconsistent. Some pieces ran large, others too tight, and if you're particular about sizing, that could be a red flag. Shipping wasn't the fastest either. It wasn't terrible, but don't expect Amazon Prime level speed here. Standard delivery took longer than advertised, and tracking updates weren't always timely. Customer service was probably the most unpredictable part. Some shoppers reported polite and prompt replies, while others shared frustrating experiences where emails went unanswered or returns were mishandled. Speaking of returns, the policy is there, but the process felt more complicated than it should be, with unclear communication and delays in processing refunds. All in all, Magnolia Boutique isn't exactly a scam, but it's definitely not as polished or reliable as its curated social media image might suggest. It falls into that gray zone where you could have a good experience or a disappointing one.